This year, we're going to be focused on a 5-day event.
This workshop, User Story Mapping for Minimal Viable Product, given by Kelly Howell, is meant for, it's a 2-hour workshop and is targeted for both UX designers, product designers, pretty much developers, or anyone really that's in the realm of writing requirements or having to write user stories. Essentially, writing user stories is very critical in the design and development process. It carries from the top and it carries throughout the bottom, and that communication of keeping the user in mind transcends through that process. This workshop, although it's 2 hours, it gets right to the point. It's very tactical, gets you what you need, leverage your backlog in a visual manner, and also seeing the benefits of actually mapping these user stories. I can tell you from personal experience that the mapping user stories are phenomenal, and it definitely will help your process. So definitely check her out and check this workshop out.